Hi everybody. Hi พี่น้องไต้ลาวพี่น้องไต้กะได This video I want to show you how are ASEAN, China and Vietnam looking about ล้านสร้าง EMU train Lao Express Bullet Train. Let's go to see together now. ASEAN.
The multi-billion-dollar Laos to China Railway is set to begin operations by the end of the year as scheduled, completing the first link of a long-envisioned rail line connecting southwest China with Singapore. Bodin to Vientiane Line is a 414-kilometer standard-gauge electrified railway under construction in Laos with 94% overall completion rate. Connecting the country's capital Vientiane to Bodin, a small town near the border of China. On October 15, the Lane-Zhang electric multiple unit train arrives at the Laos northern border town of Bodin after passing by the China-Laos borderline. The dream of the Lao people to transform the landlocked country into a land-linked hub in the region is coming true. As the streamlined China Standard bullet train for the China-Laos Railway arrived in Lao capital Vientiane, the EMU train was officially delivered to the Lao-China Railway Company Limited, a joint venture based in the Lao capital Vientiane. A handover ceremony held in the station with the attendance of Chinese Ambassador to Laos Zhang Zedong and Lao Minister of Public Works and Transport Vingsavat Sitangwat. Ambassador Zhang said in his speech at the Saturday ceremony that Laos receives the first modern train in its history today is decisive progress in the construction of the China-Laos Railway. And it is also a landmark achievement of the strategic docking between the China proposed Belt and Road Initiative and Laos' strategy to convert itself from a landlocked country to a land-linked hub. On September 29, the final tunnel of its 414 kilometers rail project has been bored, signaling an end to the epic, large-scale civil engineering works required by the line. The extreme nature of the project is reflected in the fact that the line will have 75 tunnels with 198 kilometers total length and 165 bridges with 62 kilometers total length, which combine as more than half the length of the entire line. About all of track has been laid, and its first station, at Natol, has been topped out. While the Vientiane station, the largest of the 20 stops, started its construction in July. Like most modern lines, the railway is using double-track standard gauge continuous weld technology to reduce the number of rail joints and therefore decrease the system's maintenance needs and improve the smoothness of ride. With advanced technology, the EMU train set is safe, comfortable and reliable with large passenger capacity but low operating costs and fully meets the main performance indicators required by the China-Laos railway operation. The train set is painted in the Lao flag colors of red, blue, and white. The interior design integrates elements of traditional Chinese and Lao cultures, embodying the Lao people's vision of a better life and the friendship between the two peoples. When commissioned, the electrified line will run from the town of Bodin on Laos border with China to Vientiane, with freight and passengers traveling at 160 kilometers per hour. Consists of 9 carriages, including a locomotive, a dining coach, a first class and 6 second class coaches, and provides altogether 720 seats. The air-conditioned carriages are spacious with comfortable seats installed with power outlets of Chinese and Lao standards. The dining coach is well equipped to meet the needs of passengers for food and leisure. The screens, broadcasts and service signs are all in 3 languages of Chinese, Lao, and English, and the 4th carriage with barrier-free areas is equipped with special seats, handrails, toilets, SOS call buttons, and braille guide signs to facilitate the travel of disabled passengers. The Laos-China Railway will bring great convenience to trade and travel between the two countries. Breaking through the blockade of the mountains and converting Laos from a landlocked country to a land-linked hub is the dream of the Lao people. The project started on December 2016 and will be operational by December this year. According to the current progress of construction, the Lao government proposed that the coming Lao National Day on December 2nd will be the target date to achieve official opening. The project is expected to have a cost of about $6 billion, of which $3.6 billion is being covered by a loan from the Export-Import Bank of China, with the remainder being raised by LCRC. This is about a third of Laos' GDP, which has raised concerns about repayment.
Now was built by China saying.
The entire overhead contact system, OCS, for power supply of the China-Laos Railway was successfully electrified after the Chinese section in Yuxi, southwest China's Yunnan province was switched on Thursday without any glitches. The move marks a step closer to the operation of the cross-border railway by the end of this year. In the test, the electricity transmission scope covers the railway's Chinese section, which is made up of a dozen stations including Pu'er, Xishuangbanna and the Elephant Valley, and railway lines stretching some 400 kilometers in total. The trial operation was smooth sailing, with technical data on insulation and voltage transformers meeting the requirements of project design and engineering standards. The electrical engineering work on the railway started in November 2019. During the nearly 2 years of construction, a total of 10,000 constructors successively achieved 15 scientific research results, including the contact system infrastructure integration in the rainforest area, while innovating 65 railway designs and technologies to realize digital and smart construction of the railway. One of the most challenging sections of the line was from Yuxi to Mohan in Yunnan, according to China Kunming Railway Group. As the 508-kilometer section has 93 tunnels and 136 bridges, the tunnel and bridge ratio is quite high, reaching over 87%. Plus, 15 tunnels each stretching more than 10 kilometers. To conquer challenges, China State Railway Group coordinated participants to improve construction technology and upgrade mechanical equipment, enhancing construction efficiency. As a major component of the central route of the Pan-Asia Railway, the railway runs from Yuxi in southwest China's Yunnan province, passes through Pu'er, Xishuangbanna and the Port Mohan by China-Laos border, and arrives at the Lao-China capital of Vientiane. Primarily funded by China and directly linked with the Chinese railway system, it is the first international railway constructed under the Belt and Road Initiative. The electrified passenger and cargo railway is built with the full application of Chinese management and technical standards. The construction of the project started in December 2016 and is scheduled to be completed and open to traffic by December 2021. The line will cut the travel time between Kunming and Jinghong, a city on the border with Laos, to just over 3 hours. It is expected to travel from Kunming to Vientiane within a day upon opening.
Now was Vietnam thinking about the difference between Vietnam electric train and Laos electric train?
Xin chào các bạn đang đón xem video của Lên Đô Thị. Những ngày gần đây, câu chuyện dự án đường sắt Cát Linh Hà Đông không hoàn thành đúng tiến độ nên phải kéo dài hợp đồng tư vấn giám sát làm tăng chi phí vẫn chưa thôi nóng dư luận. Thì mới đây, trong dự thảo báo cáo của Chính phủ gửi Quốc hội về dự án tuyến đường sắt Cát Linh Hà Đông, Bộ Giao thông Vận tải tiếp tục liệt kê hàng loạt nguyên nhân khiến dự án chậm tiến độ, đội vốn như vướng mặt bằng, thiếu quy định về hợp đồng trọn gói EPC, Việt Nam chưa lường hết các yêu cầu về kỹ thuật công nghệ, các nhà thầu thiếu kinh nghiệm, đặc biệt là khâu thiết kế, dẫn tới phải điều chỉnh, làm tăng tổng mức đầu tư của dự án thêm hơn 9.231 tỷ đồng, từ hơn 8.769 tỷ đồng ban đầu lên hơn 18.001 tỷ đồng. Vậy nhưng ở một diễn biến khác, chúng ta hãy nhìn sang nước bạn Lào anh em. Giữa lúc dư luận Việt Nam đang bức xúc vì đường sắt đô thị, thì ngày 16 tháng 10 năm 2021, Lào đã nhận đoàn tàu tốc độ cao đầu tiên do Trung Quốc đưa sang. Nhân sự kiện này, chúng ta sẽ cùng đi tìm hiểu về hệ thống đường sắt cao tốc của Lào, xem hệ thống này có gì đặc biệt, chi phí xây dựng ra sao so với Việt Nam. Nhưng trước khi đến với nội dung chính của video, các bạn đừng quên đăng ký kênh để đồng hành cùng chúng tôi trên mỗi hành trình.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you again in next video. Bye bye. สบายดี